Hi, this is Tony Webster, and I'm going to help you to understand how to enter or assign a task to somebody else as you've entered your safety assessment in Metricsoft. We do a lot of assessments, and we fix some items on the fly, but there are things that we need to assign. Those need to be assigned via Metricsoft so that they can be tracked. I'm going to skip down to the area where I found a particular item that I needed to assign a task to, the lockout. I noted that in this particular area that I was looking at, one of the lockout placards was unreadable. So under here where it says lockout, are lockout placards in place and readable? I'm going to say no. Then I'm going to enter a description. So I'm going to say lockout tag not readable on Stolting washer control. So that's pretty explanatory. Okay, you want to write something in there that will let you know at a later time and somebody that's reviewing it. Now again, I want to assign a task to it. So I'm going to click the assign task, and you notice that right now it says 0 here. So I'm going to assign that, and then the screen refreshes and the view add task comes up. It says the task is going to be an action assigned. The original details are the lockout placards in place readable. I'm going to put the detail in here again. The lockout tag is not readable. Please replace. Okay, so that's what needs to happen, right? Okay, the due date, it defaults to 11/3, which is today. I'm going to give the person that I'm assigning this to basically a week. That's in the Subiaco manufacturing facility. Now I need to select a person. Now we know that this was in John Taylor's area, but the person we want to receive that assignment would be a person that's in the maintenance department because they're in charge of the lockout tagout. And so I'm going to find Wayne Vrenenberg. I'm going to choose his name. It will appear here in the assigned to person. You'll notice it says current status is open, and then it will fill in my name and created by, and I'm going to click create. So now I'm going to say cancel. So if I scroll down to this task, yes, it's kept my settings. My no is marked. My task that I've described, or the finding that I described, is there. But you'll notice that it also says there is now one task assigned. Is that Wayne Vrenenberg then, probably on Monday, will receive an email that has a copy of this task assignment. And he'll probably get a hold of me and ask me why he got that task. Now, to show you how this will work then, I'm going to go to the exceptions. Okay, so what this does then is it shows me every assessment that has a exception. I can click on this one and I can expand it, and it will show me what the exception was and that there's an assigned task. So now you know how to enter the tasks as you enter your Metricsoft assessments. Please do so from now on so that we can track the tasks and make sure that they get accomplished and that we can report on them. Thank you so much. This is Tony Webster.